In today's video, I'll show you how to customize the UI in Mozilla Firefox. First, open Firefox. Once you are on the home page, right-click on the toolbar, then click Customize Toolbar. From here, you can drag your favorite items into the toolbar or move them to the overflow menu. Next, click the extensions icon in the top right corner, then click Discover Extensions. Click Extensions, scroll down, and click Find More Add-ons. Then click Themes. You will see different themes available. Scroll down and choose the theme you like. For example, under Recommended Themes, click See More to view additional options. Click on a theme, then click Install Theme, click Add, and then click OK. Your Firefox browser will update with the new theme instantly. And that's it. That's how you customize the UI in Mozilla Firefox.